You may or may not be aware, I make quite a lot of videos, most of them on my Android Andy UK channel. If you haven't seen that, go and have a look if you like Android devices and apps and phones and all that. My brother makes quite a few videos as well, so we actually decided, let's invest in a reasonably good mic. It's not proper top-end mic, but ultimate USB microphone professional recording. Yeah, it's £80, well, anywhere between 80 and 100 on Amazon. It's the Yeti, what's it called, Blue USB. Blue. Certainly a very weighty box. Let's take a look at what's inside. So let's take a look at what's inside. The main box empty now. I wasn't prepared for sticky tape inside. There we go. So that means it opens. Like so. So there's the mini USB cable. That's the instructions, adverts, recording modes at a glance, stereo, cardioid, voiceovers, vocals, instrumental, one directional, sorry. Field recordings, bi-directional, interviews. Okay, then it gives it more information on them. So for me it sounds like I want cardioid, directly in front of the microphone is picked up, while the sound at the rear and sides of the microphone is not picked up. Sounds good. Let's continue. Wow. So effective it's on its stand. That is cool looking, isn't it? Or is that just me? Am I being a bit nerdy geeky? Right, so that's now empty as well. No, that is cool. That is big. Bits of polystyrene all over the place. So I can't tell that they actually tighten it into place. Anyway, that's so on the bottom it's kind of a felt based pads. That's huge. We've got volume, headset volume. What is it? Oh, I see. So you can plug headset in at the bottom. So there's the USB in. Not sure what that's screws. That's in theory it screws onto or something. Oh, there's polystyrene everywhere now. So you've got headset volume. You've got a mute for the microphone. What have we got over this side? Pattern. So that's the type of recording, wasn't it? I assume. Do they match up? Where was that page I was just looking at? Come on. Yeah. So cardioid is kind of heart looking one. Yeah, so it goes stereo, one directional. So let's go to, oh, that's pretty solid. Right, so I guess really the only thing to test after that, well, let's have a look what happens when I plug it into the computer, I suppose. Right, I've plugged in just to the one that's at the front of my base station. Hopefully that's fine. I don't know if I need to go direct to the motherboard. Right, we see the red light has come on. We see installing USB composite Yeti stereo microphone. I don't know if you can read that. In the background, it probably focusing on the wrong thing now. So it says everything's ready to use. Now it didn't actually come with an install disk or any software. Let's just go straight to recording devices. Microphone. Hello? Oh, we're muted. Are we muted? Seems to be on permanently. Scroll down a bit. Does it say Yeti? There we go, look. Set as default device. Hello! Now we can we turn that one off? Don't need to worry about that. Disable. How's that? Oh, it's gone totally. Never mind. Right, so now I don't actually. Hello. So let's. Now what I'll do, I'm going to record sound now, but when rather than play it back through my computer speakers, the sound that I record is what I will put over the top of the video, if that makes sense. So I'm starting to record now. The sound level looks quite low. I am a good 20 to 25 centimeters from the mic though, so it might be that. So let's call that first. To me that sound, there was quite a hum in the background, so I'm going to turn the gain down and see what happens, and we'll try again. When it's flashing, that means it's muted. When it's solid, it's recording. Right, I'm going to give it another go with the gain turned down a little bit. So, once again, about 20 centimeters from the mic. I don't know if it's going to help or not. If I angle it towards me, then I'm going to put it totally upright, continuing to talk nice and clearly to see what it sounds like. There we go. We'll try switching it over to stereo and see how that sounds. And let's record again. We are now recording in stereo. I'm going to try turning the gain right the way down. Gain is very low now. Turn it back up again a bit higher to see what difference that makes. Okay. I'm going to do one last recording. We'll take the gain right the way down, and I'm going to go to the directional, one directional, and give that a go. Sorry, to clarify, it's omnidirectional, which means all around. So we'll try that now. So the mic is on its omnidirectional setting. I don't know if that's going to bring in more extra noise or not. The gain is turned down though, and I'm still 25 centimeters or so from the mic. There we go, Omni. Just going to give you one last go. I've actually turned the microphone setting down on the computer to about 50. It was on 68. I'm going to turn the gain down there. It is the sort of the buzz in the background that I'm just trying to eliminate, and I wonder if generally it's all too high. I'm going back to stereo. Turn the mic around. One last attempt. I'm still 20 or so centimeters away. I'm going to try going back to about 40, 45, 50. I'm still speaking nice, loud and clear. If I then come in very close but speak a bit quieter and softer, how does that come across? So, last. So I think that actually was quite a lot better. which shows really it's just about finding the right settings for you and what makes it sound better. I think the hum was fairly well eliminated in the last bit there, and all round I'm quite pleased and quite excited to get using it. Is that a bit sad? Probably is. Never mind. That's me. I'm nerdy, geeky, techie. So hope that's been useful to you. Like I say, £80 to £100 on Amazon. The Yeti Blue USB mic. My name's Andy. Catch you all again soon.